Hi, this is Chris. It's the middle of the afternoon and it's too hot to work in the garden right now, so I thought I would come into my nice cool studio and do a fun collage. I enjoyed last time when I did the 2018 prompts from Marguerite Miller, so I'm going to do that again. Find our page right here. Okay, that's our page. So these are the prompts I've already used, and these are the prompts that are left in the deck. And as I said before, they're from Marguerite Miller, 2018. I don't know if these are still available on her website or her Etsy or wherever, but if you're interested, you could look into that. So I have some dice, and I'm going to pick a random dice, a random die, and I'm going to hope I don't get 6 because that's just too many. 3! All right, that might be too few, but that might be fun to try. So I'm just going to cut them and pick a card, a place. Cut and pick a receipt. These come in a sheet that you can download and print yourself and then cut out yourself. A coloring book page. Oh, that's really weird. A weird combination. Okay, so a place, a receipt, and a coloring book page. Well, to put them here so you can see. And I've got 3. Okay, I'm going to start looking for items. Okay, that didn't take as long as I had expected. So I have a place, and this is the cover from a calendar that I purchased when I was in London in 1988. So that's getting kind of old, isn't it? Very 1980s fashion there. So that could be a place, and then a receipt. This is a piece of packaged ephemera, and it says received of Meridian, Connecticut, and 18 something, and the dollars, and then there's a dollar amount down here too. So I have that, it's nice and small, and then I have these coloring pages. My mother in her later years really enjoyed coloring, and one time she hurt her arm and her handwriting suffered from the arm injury, and I bought her a coloring book, and she just really enjoyed coloring in the coloring book, and her handwriting improved. So it was like therapy, and she didn't even know it. So these I tea-dyed, and that kind of goes with a subdued color. I think I'd probably use one of these medallions. It doesn't say if you're supposed to color it in before you use it. About one of these flowers. Well, I can cut them out and try and see how that goes. Okay, that's going to be my simple collage. 3-piece collage. Glue it down with some art glitter glue. I'm going to use my brown Stabilo All pencil, find one that's sort of sharp, and do some outlining. All right, water and a brush. That's my next step. Okay, now I'm going to title it and put down my prompts. So these are Marguerite Miller prompts 2018. And first we had a place. Then we had a receipt. And then we had a coloring book page. And today is, I think I forgot to blend the bottom. Okay, what is today? June 15th. Okay, that reminds me of my trip to London, which was actually in 1987. Maybe I should put down here, received of Chris, a wonderful trip. So there's my place, my receipt, and a coloring book page, or pieces thereof. Okay, so I will put my used prompts away. And I'll save these prompts for another day. So thanks for watching and have a great day collaging. Bye-bye.